Hey guys, welcome back to Help Click. In this video, I'll be showing you how to download music from YouTube to MP3. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to download music that you could use for YouTube videos, well, you can download MP3 music directly from YouTube themselves. So what do you need to do? Well, first things first is you want to open up any browser here and you want to go to youtube.com and just log in into your account. Now, the first requirement here is you need to have a YouTube channel. So if you don't have a YouTube channel yet, you may need to create one, but once you do have one, you just need to click on your profile icon at the top right and click on YouTube Studio. Now, inside YouTube Studio here, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and just go to Audio Library. Now, usually at the left panel here, you should see Audio Library at the very bottom. Let's go and just click on it. Now, from here, you should be able to see different kind of musics that you could actually download. And the great thing about this one is you can filter this into different categories. Like, for example, if you want to search via track title, via genre, mood, artist name, even duration here, or if you need attribution for your YouTube video. Now, if you want to download the exact music video, you just need to go to the right side here under the added section, and you should be able to see the download button. So if you click on download, you should be able to download that music and start using that on your videos. And that's pretty much it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.